Alright.
Or do you want me to hold on to ours?
I got yours. Ready?
How are you going to do a running start?
Just, I'll take like 3 big steps. Ready? Alright. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh man. Keep going, baby. Pull us, pull us. Pull us. Did we hit something?
Just the wall.
Ah, that was good. Yeah, I saw that wall. Oh, shit. You hit something there.